This particular case study is about Neilpatel, who's a very successful digital marketer and is worth millions of dollars. Forbes says that he's one of the top 10 marketers, and Entrepreneur Magazine says he created one of the 100 most brilliant companies. Okay, he was also recognized as a top 100 entrepreneur under the age of 30 and also a top 100 entrepreneur under the age of 35. Now, some people may be thinking, well, he's already a successful and popular digital marketer with a large audience, so it shouldn't be that hard for him to have a successful YouTube channel. However, there are many other successful marketers who have large audiences as well, whose YouTube channels haven't yet taken off. Neilpatel, according to him, within his first year of starting a YouTube channel, he was able to get over 100,000 subscribers, and to date, he has over 298,000 subscribers. So what are Neilpatel's keys to success on YouTube? Well, his keys to success are very similar to other successful YouTubers. And one of the main things that I see that's very common amongst successful YouTubers is consistency. Okay, he tries to shoot for 3 videos per week. Now, if you don't have time for 3 videos per week, try just going for 1 video per week. Okay, so he shoots 3 videos per week, and according to him, that's how he gets over 9,000 subscribers per month organically. He also tries to optimize his videos, and ideally he makes them over 5 minutes long, because YouTube prefers videos that are at least over 5 minutes long, and of course have a good title and thumbnail. A lot of people already know that if you want to have a successful YouTube channel and you want to attract clicks, you have to have an attractive thumbnail that will get attention and also a good title. Now, when optimizing your videos, you also have to see what keywords your competitors are using. So you have to search for keywords in your niche on YouTube so you can see what your competitors are doing. Another thing that he likes to do is transcribe his videos. He uses a service called rev.com, and they subscribe to videos for pennies on the dollar.